Here we are showing comparison of metal leaf spring for Mahindra Thar with composite fiber leaf springs manufactured by ARC. Here the suspension, metal suspension is on testing rig for the deflection. We can see the load on the load sail, and the deflection also is being shown aside on the metal strip. You can see here we are giving the maximum load which has been given on the leaf spring. It's around 500 kg approximately. The deflection values are 148 millimeter for 500 kg. Here we will be increasing the load little bit on higher side. You can see the spring has gone to almost reverse camber, nearby to reverse. It's around 550 kg, and now again the spring is returning back to its original position. Here you can observe that on removal of the load, its normal tendency of metal leaf springs for deformation. This is a natural phenomena. Due to this phenomena, your vehicle goes down and you need to go with recambering. Again, the working distance will be reduced, so that is going to affect to the tire life as well. It will affect to the suspension quality. So here we have benefit with the composites. You can compare the composites where you will find there is no deformation characteristics. Now we are showing the deflections and the spring values for ARC composite leaf springs, which is similar made for the Mahindra Thar CRD. Let's start the deflection. You are well aware that composites doesn't have got deformation characteristics, which can be shown after releasing the total load after this test. Now we will be putting the same load what we have put on the metal leaf springs, that is 500 kg. Now we have come down to 500 kg, and you can see the deflection values. It is 132 millimeters, provided it was 148 for metal leaf springs. Even then, these leaf springs have proven working smoother than the metal leaf springs because of its resilience properties, and gives a better flexibility and smoother ride quality for the comfort factor. Now we are increasing the load, and you can see the suspension leaf spring has gone almost up to 650 kg, and the static deflection is 178 millimeter. Even after this, you will see that there won't be any deformation characteristics. There won't be any permanent deformation which normally happens in the metal leaf springs. This is the basic advantage of composite, which keeps the performance throughout the life of the suspension same without differing the values, and how we can get the benefit of the performance and the benefit throughout the life span of the spring suspension, which is normally not possible in metal leaf springs. Here you can see it has came down to zero load, and you can see there is no deformations, no any kind of camber loss to the leaf springs, offering the lifespan performance, a smoother, high quality performance, comfortable performance to our customers who are enjoying for last more than 33 years